Bimodal IT and Digital Transformation, Lessons Learned from COVID-19. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Digital transformation entails leveraging digital capabilities to drive value creation, operational efficiency, and enhanced customer experiences. The emergence of bimodal IT, characterized by the coexistence of traditional and exploratory modes of operation, reflects the evolving role of IT in facilitating digital innovation. With this study, we aim to delve into the intersection of COVID-19, digital transformation, and bimodal IT, examining their collective impact on ICT divisions and organizational resilience. Interviewing was the primary method of data collection. Participants were predominantly selected based on seniority in their respective organizations, such as CIOs or IT managers, and their presumed knowledge and expertise on the subject. 14 interviews with participants representing 14 organizations were conducted. The findings reveal the significant impact of COVID-19 on technological capabilities and organizational responses. Themes such as acceleration of digital transformation, facilitation of remote work, management and repurposing of budgets, and cultivation of resilience and adaptability emerged. The study provides insight into the specific technological initiatives and challenges faced by organizations in adapting to remote work and evolving security landscapes. This study contributes to the understanding of the intersection between COVID-19, digital transformation, and bimodal IT, highlighting the importance of agility and resilience in managing ICT operations amid unpredictable circumstances. The study provides detailed perspectives on the efficiency of bimodal IT, moving beyond the simplistic representations in the existing literature. It underscores the importance of incorporating bimodal IT into the broader IT strategy and considering contextual factors. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.